This key fob has a broken off key blade in here, and I'm going to be replacing it with this one. I'm going to show you how to get this old one out and then place this new one in. Basically, this is a GM fob. There's a little roll pin in here, and here's the size of it so you can get a sense for how delicate these are. You're just going to want to push it out from either side, and then you'll be able to press the new one in. And to push it out, I'm going to be using this small flat tip screwdriver. Now, it's really best if you're wearing gloves so you don't jam your finger and hurt yourself, but essentially you just want to find which side the roll pin is more recessed. This one feels like it's about even, and just give it a very firm push. That was a lot easier than most. So go ahead and remove your roll pin. There's the broken piece there. I'm going to put the new one in. Now to install the new roll pin, this will be under spring load, so this will open or close on its own. You just want to put your new roll pin, get started like that. And then I like to use a pair of Lyman pliers and just give it a good squeeze like that. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.